Welcome back to Check Out the Rileys. Farmer Mercy is doing her first planting here at the farm. Mercy, what are you planting? Onion red. That's what they look like. We got a little shade here, so it's like if I bring the camera too far away from it, you can't really see too good, but hopefully you guys can see that. Now, what did you do to plant these, Mars? Where did you get this dirt? So you got the dirt from over there in the big pile? Did Jabez help you?
Yes.
Here's Jabez the helper, Farmer Junior. So what did you put in the bottom of the tray?
Just the dry leaves.
Dry leaves. Is that what they suggested? That's what you did. So we'll see how this does. Looks like she's planting one per each.
No, I plant 2 seeds.
2 seeds in each?
Yeah. Every one dies.
Everyone's got the water to water them after they get planted. But you already wet the mud first anyways, right? So this is the first thing that we've ever planted ourselves here, right? We decided to do this.
Dapat lagyan mo tubig. Yes. Yung mo tubig. Saan? Ito. Kunti lang.
Here's the other farm boy.
Yes.
Are you a farmer?
What do you do? That.
They're planting. Are you going to go help them?
First and see it to make it. Put
Huh?
Dig.
You have to
Second.
dig? They already dug.
And then
So they're going to
after
grow them in.
that,
They're going to
you
grow them in
put
here
it-
first. Yeah.
put it.
So
and
you
then
know how to grow stuff, huh?
after you put in water carefully,
Lagyan mo tubig na.
and then gotta wait.
Gotta wait.
Yes.
How many days?
I don't know.
What do you think Mom's growing?
Onion?
Hey,
Yes, onion.
onion. Yes.
And so onion.
She's doing it all by hand. No mass produced here, right?
Not even a shovel, a tiny
Not
shovel.
even. She had a knife though, didn't she?
Yes. Instead of a knife.
Look, my knife is a special kind.
Special kind of knife.
That.
Is it a bolo slash knife?
Dito na ako.
How to get down low to show.
Whoa. No, it's the softest.
So these are going to be pretty good size
Yes.
onions.
Because if you put water in, it turns into soft. Soft.
The dirt
and-
turns soft.
Yes.
Okay. I'm glad somebody knows what they're doing here. Mom, what do you think about your supervisor over here? Telling you how to do it all. He comes out late when you're almost done and tells you how to do it. Kind of like me, huh? Well, we got a brown out here at the farm today.
Yes.
So, we've just been trying to do a few things where we can.
Now, just do it carefully.
They're harvesting
Pray.
at another area, so it's just us by ourselves right now.
Yeah, just
So we have to keep
4
busy.
of us.
So what do you guys want to say, Mama?
Thank you guys for watching.
Jabez?
Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share.
And like this video.
Alright. Till next time, guys, check out the Rileys.